So what number has 3 10s and 8 1s? So let's go ahead and draw our blank boxes here. We have to label our ones place and our tens place. So how many ones do we have? We have 8 1s. How many tens do we have? We have 3 10s. So what number do we have? 38. We can also look at some pictures to double check our answer. So we're going to go ahead and let's just count one row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So here is one group of 10, and we need to count 3 groups of 10. Here's a second group of 10, and we have our third group of 10. So that's 10, 20, 30. We have 3 groups of 10. So this is all 3 10s. And then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have our 8 1s. So the correct answer is 38.